In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Samsung black screen after drop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about what to do if you dropped your phone and now it has a black screen. This can be due to various reasons, either hardware related or software related. So to start, the very first thing that I would recommend is for you to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. So press and hold the power button and the volume down button together for about 10 seconds. After you hold down both of these buttons for 10 seconds, you will see the Samsung logo appear on screen. This will usually perform a forced restart. You might see some options related to recovery, but you don't have to worry about them. If you have to select one of them, just make sure that you boot normally into your phone. And after this, you should be able to use it as normal. Now, if you notice that even after holding down these buttons, nothing happens on screen, or maybe you are able to hear audio being output by the device, but still no display, it could be a problem with the screen. If you are comfortable, I would highly recommend taking the phone apart and checking the ribbon that connects the screen to the phone's internals. And as long as you are able to reconnect this ribbon, you will essentially be able to revive the screen. Like I said, the screen has to be connected to the internals, the PCB and so on of the device. So if you are able to establish a connection, you will be good to go. Of course, if you aren't comfortable doing this, then just take it to a repair shop and they will be able to help you. And another thing to consider is that sometimes, even though this can be the issue where the ribbon related to the screen simply came off and is now loose, sometimes it could be an actual problem with the display itself. In that case, if the screen itself is cracked or broken and it has physical damage, then you will simply have to replace it. If the screen itself is broken, simply ensuring that the connection is done will not fix the issue, so it has to be fully replaced. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung black screen after drop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.